Hello students, today's chapter is troubleshooting. In this chapter, we will learn computer troubleshooting, steps of troubleshooting and areas of troubleshoot. Computer is a machine and sometimes it fails to function properly. Then what is troubleshooting? Troubleshooting is a form of problem solving often applied to repair failed products or processes on a machine or system. When we will start solving a problem, we need to apply different approaches, and by applying different approaches, it will lead you to the correct solution. There are three areas of troubleshoot, that is hardware, software, operating system. First is hardware. What is hardware? You know that hardware is the physical part of the computer, that is mouse, keyboard, printer, monitor, etc. Then what are the hardware problems you might encounter? First is power failure. If any of the hardware device will not get power supply, then it will not work. Second is loose connection. If any device is not connected properly, then it will not work. Third is noise of the fan, which will produce more heat. And fourth is hard disk crash, that is the stored information cannot be accessed properly. Next is software. Software is an application or program running on the computer. Then what are the problems you might encounter when with the software? First is error message. Like see in this picture, it displays that you cannot change the file name because already it exists. Second, unable to install the software. Sometimes you may notice a message that installation failed. That means unable to install the software. Third, slow speed. While working on a particular software, you may notice that it operates very slow. Fourth is system crash. That is when an operating system stops functioning properly. Operating system. It is the backbone of a computer. A computer cannot work without an operating system. When you are switching on a computer and it is unable to boot, that means operating system is not working properly. Now, what are the operating system problem you might encounter? First is operating system restart without any warning message. That means you are doing some work and suddenly the operating system restarts. That is without giving you any warning message. Operating system stops responding. That means it is not working properly. Operating system file does not boot. There is a problem in while booting. Now we are going to discuss the steps of troubleshooting. What are the steps? Step 1. Write various approaches you think that are correct to solve a problem. Categorize them. That means whenever we are getting any problem, first we need to think that what are the approach to solve the problem. Second is write down the steps or draw a flow chart. This will help you know the flow of work and avoid repeating the step. While working, delete the option if it does not work. Third is pen down the error messages. Fourth is check if the cables are connected properly. And fifth is if nothing works, restart the computer or call an expert. Watch the video carefully, read the book, and again you watch for clear idea. Then read the question answer given in the exercise and solve homework. And this also the exercise, question answer and everything I have given for the book Cambridge Connection Computer Studies. Now this is the question answer part. First is identify the troubleshoot areas. First is the computer mouse does not work. Answer, where is the troubleshoot? That is hardware. Second is computer does not start. Answer is hardware. Third, the scanner attached to the computer does not work. Answer is hardware. An error message is displayed on the computer. Answer is software. CPU box heats up quickly. Answer is hardware, because this is a problem of the fan. Computer restarts without any warning message. That is a problem of the operating system. Answer the following questions. Define troubleshoot. Identifying the cause of the problem in a system is called troubleshoot. List the areas of troubleshoot. Answer, there are 3 areas to troubleshoot: hardware, software and operating system. Write the steps to troubleshoot before calling an expert. Answer, steps of troubleshoot. Step 1. Find out the problem. Categorize the problem. Check the service manual. Back to its original state. Call an expert. Question number 4. Write 2 common hardware problems you come across. Answer, one of the basic hardware problems that you may face is power failure in the computer. Device problem such as keyboard, mouse and printer are not recognized. Homework. First question. Explain 3 areas of troubleshoot. Explain the example of hardware problems that you encounter. Write the example of software problems that you encounter. Write the example of operating system problems that you encounter. Study all the question and answer of this chapter and write this homework as well as the question answer of this chapter in your homework copy. Thank you for watching the video.